Hello students, welcome back to my channel Pallavi Maths Sir. In this session, I'm going to discuss about KSEEB model question paper 3 marks and 4 marks question. In previous session, I discussed 1 marks and 2 marks question and link is provided in description box. If you need, go through that. Now let us start the session. 3 marks question start from the 25th. Okay, what is the question? Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external points are equal. So here, first draw the circle with center move and consider K is the external point. Draw the tangent. SK and RK are the tangents. So you need to prove these two tangents are equal. To prove that SK is equals to RK. Proof. So in triangle, here two triangles are there. This is first triangle and this is the second triangle. So in triangle, SOK and triangle ROK, these two triangle, OS is equals to OR. What is the reason? Radii of the same circle. These are the radii of the same circle. So both are equal. Write the reason. Radii of the same circle. Next, angle OSK is equals to angle ORK. So which is equals to 90 degree. As we know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So write the reason. Radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Next, OK is equals to OK. Why? This is the common side for both the triangle. Write down the reason. This is the common side. Therefore, triangle SOK is similar to triangle ROK. So, if two triangles are similar, then by CPCT, you can say SK is equals to RK. So both tangents, if you draw the tangents to the external point, then the tangents are equal. So SK is equals to RK. This is the proof. So many times the asked in exam this theorem. This is the very important theorem and it's very easy theorem. Next question. Find the mean of the following data by direct method. Yes, we have 3 methods to find out the mean. First method is direct method, second method is assumed mean method, and third method is step deviation method. Here they clearly given what they given. You need to find out the mean by using direct method. Question is class interval 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90. And frequency is 2, 6, 10, 12. Now you need to find out the x. X means midpoint. So between 10 to 30, what is the midpoint? 20 is the midpoint. 30 to 50, 40 is the midpoint. So let us call this the x. Similarly, 60 for 50 to 70, 80 for 70 to 90. So here, what is the formula? Mean by direct method is sigma fx divided by n. You know the value of f and you know the value of x. Fx means f into x. Multiply this both. 2 into 20 is 40. Multiply this one. 2 into 20 is equals to 40. 6 into 40 which is equals to 240. 10 into 60 is 600. Similarly, 12 into 80 is 960. Sigma means sum. You need to add all this. So if you add all this, you will get 1840. Now substitute here 1840 divided by n. N means number. So here number of the students. Let us consider this is students. Students scored maths in FA3 like that. Okay, 10 to 30, 2 students, 30 to 56 students. So total number of students is equals to 30. So divided by 30. Cancel this one, you will get 61.33. So therefore, mean is equals to 61.33. And this is also very important sum. So many times they ask you to find out the mean, median, and mode. In three main, median, mode, definitely in your exam, they will ask one question for 3 marks. Next question. Or one more question they asked, find the mode. Yes, just now I said definitely they will ask one question to find the mean, or else mode, or else median. Here, find the mode score in the following data. Class interval they given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. And frequency is 6, 9, 2, 2, 1. So here highest number, which one is the highest number? 9 is the highest number. So mark this one. Okay. So call this as F1. So preceding is F0. Next succeeding number is F2. Okay. Preceding is F0 and succeeding number is F2. So L mode formula is lower limit plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here write down lower limit is 3. This is the lower limit L. Lower limit is 3. F1 is equals to 9. F0 is equals to 6. F2 is equals to 2. And H means size. So your class size is, what is the size? Class size is 2. Substitute all the values and simplify this one. You will get mode is equals to 5. And while presenting your paper, that is also very important. Okay, if you write like this, LRL, F1, F0, F2, H, and then start substituting in the given formula. Okay, so this presentation is very important in your examination point. Okay, if you present very well, then easily you will get marks. If you did one simple mistake also, you will get marks. Teachers won't cut the marks. Next, 27th question. 4 sine 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. Here they ask you 2 questions. Okay. So substitute first. I will solve first question. 4 sine 30 degree. You know the values. Sine 30 degree means 1 by 2. But you don't know the value of sine 45 degree. So here you need to apply complementary angles. What is the complementary angles? You are converting this one. Tan 90 minus 42 into, here into is there, only substitute, apply complementary angles for only one trigonometric values. Okay. No, don't substitute for both. And next one is tan 42 degree, right as it is, minus 3 into tan 45 degree is 1. So here you will get 4 ones are 4 divided by 2 plus tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42 degree into tan. Instead of tan, I am writing this one as cot 42 degree minus 3 ones are 3. Cot 42 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is plus, not into 2 plus 1 minus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3, which is equals to 0. So this is the answer. Next, second question. So here are 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. 6 into cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 minus sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus, instead of your sin square 45 degree, you are writing 1 by root 2 whole square. Instead of this one, you can apply trigonometric identities. Sin square A plus cos square A, which is equals to 1. So directly, I will write this one as 1. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 1 by 2. So here, take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 4 2 is the 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7 by 2. So this is the final answer. Next question. This is also very important question. So in our exam, they will ask less than Hogai or more than Hogai. Okay. So yields of coconut grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Drawn less than type. Okay. Number of coconuts less than 50, less than 75, less than 100, up to less than 200 they given, and directly they given cumulative frequency. No need to find out the cumulative frequency. Already they mentioned in the form of cumulative frequency. 2, 4, 9, 10 like that they given. Okay. Now draw the graph for this. First, what scale is very important. Okay. So if you don't write the scale, definitely in your exam you will lose 1 marks. Each marks is very important. Okay. So scale x-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 90 units, and y-axis is 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units. If you take 5 units, mention it 5 units. If you take 25 units, mention it. Okay. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. X-axis means number of coconuts. Here mention number of coconuts. And your cumulative frequency. Okay. Here less than 50, less than 75, less than 100, like that. And here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now less than 50, cumulative frequency is 2, mark the point. For less than 75, 4, mark the point. Less than 100, it is 9, mark the point, and join all the points. This is a less than type of Ogai formula. Sorry, Ogai graph. I hope all of you understood this one. Next sum, 29th question. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter, and the perimeter of the circular ends are 18 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Then find out the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Yes, we know what is the formula for curved surface area of the frustum of the cone is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Okay. So here the given perimeters. So perimeter means circumference of the circle. Perimeter means what? Both are same. Perimeter as well as circumference, both are same. Okay. The given slant height, L is equals to 4 centimeter. This is the slant height. L is equals to 4 centimeter. And circumference of the circular ends are, one is 18 centimeter and other one is 6 centimeter. So circumference of the circle, what's the formula? 2 pi r, because here radius, two radius are present here. This is R1 and this one is R2. So 2 pi R1 is equals to 80. You will get pi R1 is equals to 9. Cancel this one, 2 ones are 2 9s. Here also 2 pi R2 is equals to 6, pi R2 is equals to 3. Call this equation 1 and 2. Add this both equation. You will get pi R1 plus pi R2 is equals to 3 plus 9. So now take pi is common. If you take pi is common, you will get R1 plus R2, which is equals to 9 plus 3 is 12. So call this equation 3. As we know the formula, frustum of the cone is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. So pi R1 plus R2 is 12. Directly substitute into slant height is 4. 12 4s are 48 square centimeter. So this is the final answer. So curved surface area of the frustum of the cone is 48 square centimeter. I hope all of you understood this one. This is also very important sum. Next sum. A toy is in the form of the hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. Is given the figure? What they did? This is a cylinder. For this cylinder, they surmounted the hemisphere. Radius of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. Radius, this is the radius. Radius of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. Find the volume of the toy. You need to find out the volume of the toy. So volume of the toy is this one. Volume of the toy is equals to volume of the cylinder, this volume of the cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. Both they are attached, right? So volume of the cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. And the given height of the cylinder, here I am writing radius is 3.5 centimeter and height of the cylinder h is equals to 10 centimeter. And your radius of the hemisphere is also 3 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Radius of the hemisphere. Substitute the formula. Formula is volume of the cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here I am taking pi is common, remaining is r square h plus r cube. Substitute all the values and simplify. Finally, you will get 519.75 cubic centimeter. So this is the final answer. If you know the formula, then directly substitute the values and simplify it, you will get the answer. And in this chapter, surface area and volumes, formulas are very important. In this chapter, you will get around 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks is not a simple marks. Okay, it is a big marks. Okay, so read well. Very important chapter. Next sum. The sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academics performance. If each cash prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Yes, here sum of the rupees 700 rupees. Here 700 rupees are distributed to 7 students. Okay. If one student scored very good marks, then he will get some greater amount compared to other students. Is it right? So he will get more amount compared to second prize. And second prize get more amount compared to third prize. And third student get more amount compared to fourth students. So here what they given? 20 rupees less. So for example, first student got 100 rupees means second student got minus 20. So which is equals to 80. Okay, this is for second student. This is for first student. And for third student minus 20, then third which is equals to 60 rupees. But here I don't know for first student how many he is getting. Okay, let us consider x. Next for second, this is x. So for second, x minus 20. Okay, 100 rupees means x. Here x minus 20. Next one is x minus 20. Here again minus 20. So which is equals to x minus 40. Okay. So in next step, this is an arithmetic progression. Yes, this belongs to AP. First term is x and common difference, you know, a2 minus a1 means you will get common difference is minus 20. And they given the sum Sn. Okay, sum means what? Sn. Sn is equals to 700. So you know the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Sn means 700 is equals to n means 7 by 2 into the value of e is x plus n means 7 minus 1 is 6 into d value is minus 20. So substitute and simplify, you will get x is equals to 160 rupees. Then find out the second price. 160 minus 20 is 140. 140 minus 20 is 120. 120 minus 20 is 100. Like that it will goes. So this is the find the values of each of the prices. You need to find out all 7. Okay. Don't stop here. You need to write this also. This is also very important. Here they give clearly they mention what they mention. Find the value of each of the prices. Each means you need to find out first, second, third, up to 7. Okay. Next question. Find the area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are 2, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, 3. As we know the formula. What's the formula? Area of the triangle is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. This is also very simple. Look here, if you don't know the formula, one cyclic starts from 1, next 2, next 3. So after 1, 2, after 2, 3 means x1 into y2 minus y3 plus starts from after 1, next 2, next 3. So this is the formula. Vertices they given 2, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 3. So this one is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Substitute all the values, you will get 3.5 square units. And unit is also very important. Okay. I hope all of you understood this one. Next sum. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection. Trisection is here the one straight line will be divided into 3 parts. Okay. So here the given first one is 6 comma minus 2 and here 10 comma 8. Okay. You need to find out the value of P and value of Q. So now find this one. 6, you need to find out the value of P. Here AP is 2. Here 1. Trisection is it is divided into 3 equal parts. This is one part. Okay. Now I am finding the value of P. Next P to P is 2. Okay. AP is 2. PB is equals to 1 is to 2. Here PB is divided into 2 parts, right? PQ plus QB. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now apply the formula, section formula. Section formula is P of x comma y is equals to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is m1, this one is m2, this is x1 and this one is y1, this is x2 and y2. Substitute here, m1 is 1 into x1 is 6 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is x2 is, did mistake here, m1 is 1 and x2 is 10 plus 2 into x1 is 6 divided by m1 is 1 plus 2 comma m1 is 1, y2 is 8 plus m2 is 2 into y1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. So 1 tens are 10 plus 6 2s are 12 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3 comma 8 ones are 8 minus 4 divided by 3. So 10 plus 12 is 22 divided by 3 comma 4 by 3. So this is point P of x comma y. This is point P of x comma y. So P of x comma y is 22 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Now you need to find out the value of Q. Observe here for P to B, 1 is to 1, right? So then it is midpoint. Q is midpoint of PB. Then directly apply Q of x comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here x1 is 22 by 3 plus x2 is 10 divided by 2 comma y1 is 4 by 3 plus y2 is 8 divided by 2. Simplify this, you will get the answer of Q. Here you need to find out both P as well as Q. Don't get confused here. If you stop for finding P, you will get only for 3 marks means 1.5 marks you will get. If you find out the value of Q as well as, then you will get full of 3 marks. Okay, this is very important. Don't stop here. You need to find out P as well as Q. Next question. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from its center. First, you need to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. This is 4 cm. Okay. I will mark it as X. O to X, which is equals to 4 cm. Even you need to write like this. And O to P, which is equals to 9 cm. Clearly they mention what they mention, away from its center. So away from the center, which is equals to 9 cm. Now after this one, now draw the perpendicular for OP. For OP, draw a perpendicular line. So perpendicular line means if you cut into 2 equal parts. Okay, after that, again from this point, consider OM or OP has the radius. Draw the circle. Consider OM or OP has the radius. Now draw the circle for this. Draw the circle. Okay. If you draw like this circle 1, this is circle 1 and this circle 2, both meet at the point A and the point B. Now draw the tangent for this. This is the required tangent. You need to write down AP and BP are the tangents. You need to follow these steps. Okay. This is the figure. Next question. In the figure ABCD, square of side 14 cm with center A, B, C, and D. 4 circles are drawn to each such 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. Observe here, this is the square. So you need to find out the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is equals to area of the square minus this one. Look, observe here, the circle is divided into 4 parts, right? So one part is there here. So this part is area of the quadrant minus how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts, 4 into area of the quadrant. Area of the square is, what's the formula? A square side into side minus 4 into area of the quadrant is 1 by 4 into pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square divided by, it is divided into 4 parts, right? So divided by 4. This is the formula for area of the quadrant. So 4 get cancelled. A means sides is 14 square minus pi value is 22 by 7 and radius. Here observe here, this is 14 centimeter. Half of the 14 is 7. So radius is 7 into 7. So 7 get cancelled. So 14 into 14 is 196 minus 22 into 7 is 144, which is equals to 42 square. This is in centimeter, right? This is in centimeter. So square centimeter. So this is the answer. So many times they ask for this question. This question is very important. Next question. Yes, From 34th question starts from, this is 4 marks question. 4 marks question starts from 34th. Okay. So this is also very important. So many, in every question paper, they has got to construct the triangle. So construct a triangle of side 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Then construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are 3 by 4 of the sides of the first triangle. First, I will write 6 centimeter. So from A to C, this is 6. No, this is 7. B to C is 7. B to C is 7 centimeter. First draw this. Then here 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So now divide, draw a acute line for BC. So this is the acute ray. BX is the acute angle. So now this BX is divided into 4 parts. B1, B2, B3, B4. Here denominator, what is the number? 4 is the number. From fourth point to, you need to join to the last. Okay. After this, you need to draw parallel to third point. This is third point. This is the third point. You need to draw parallel line for B4 to C. You need to draw, let us call this is C dash. After that, join C to E, then construct one more parallel line for CA. C dash, A dash is the parallel to the line CA. So this is the construction. This is very simple, and definitely in all papers that has got this question, construct a triangle. So practice well, and this is very important. Next question. Solve graphically. Every time they will ask this question, solve by your own. This one is homework question. Next, yes, this one. So here, they given the figure. This is the figure. The angle of depression from the top of a vertical tower to a point and the ground is found to be 60 degrees, and from a point 50 meters above the foot of the tower of the angle of depression to the same point is found to be 30 degrees as shown in the figure. Find out the tower. So tower, this is the tower. You need to find out the tower. So AC, you need to find out the length of AC. From a 50 meter above the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower from the, what they give 50 meter above the foot. Above the foot, they give this is A to B is 50 degree, and let us consider this is X. Okay. So here, let the height of AB is equals to 50 meter and distance A to B is equals to X. In triangle ABD, apply trigonometric value here. Tan theta is equals to ratio, trigonometric ratio is AB by AD, is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 50 divided by, this is also 30 degree. If it is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree. Okay. So tan 30 degree is equals to AB by AX, is 50 degree divided 50 divided by X. So tan 30 degree is equals to, because this is 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equals to AB. The length of AB is 50. So this is not 50. Tan 30 degree, sorry, 50 by X. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, which is equals to 50 divided by X. Cross multiply this one, you will get X is equals to 50 root 3. Yep. Call this as equation 1. Similarly, now let us take triangle ACD. For this triangle ACD, so EC is divided into AB plus CB. Let us consider this is X. Okay. So 50 plus, okay, H, I will take it as H. Okay. Here already I took X, right? So here I took H. So 50 plus H divided by AD is X. Tan 60 degrees is equals to H plus 50 divided by X. Tan 60 degrees is root 3, which is equals to H plus 50 divided by X. So cross multiply, you will get X is equals to H plus 50 divided by root 3. Call this as equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, X is equals to 50 root 3, and here X is equals to H plus 50 root 3. Substitute, you will get h is equals to 100. Therefore, total height of the tower is what? 50 plus x. H, sorry. 50 plus h is 100. 100 plus 50 is 150. So this is the final answer. Next question. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. 360 km at a uniform speed. I don't know the speed. Okay. Let us consider speed of the train is x km per hour and total distance is 360 km. So next, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more means more plus, right? So speed when increased by 5 km per hour, then it will become x plus 5 km per hour. So according to the question, what they given, if it would have taken 1 hour less. 1 hour less means minus for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So here, also formula distance traveled divided by speed, right? So here, so 360 divided by x minus 1. For example, train need to reach 5 hours. Okay, the destination, the train will reach in 5 hours. But it take 1 hour less. Why? Why it is less? Because the speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour. It increased by 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, so you will get within 4 hours you will reach the destinations. You will reach by 5 hours, and it, within 1 hour less you reach the destination. Why? Means the speed is increased. When you solve this one, you will get 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5, which is equals to 1 minus 1. Take to this side, it will become plus 1. Now simplify this one and factorize. You will get x is equals to 40 and minus 45. Minus 45 won't consider. Then speed of the train is equals to how much? 40 kilometer per hour. You need to write this one. 40 kilometer per hour. Next question. Yes, this is also very important question. Selling an article for rupees 18.75. So selling price is 18 rupees 75 paisa. A person loses as much as percent as is cost him in rupees. I don't know the cost price. Let us write cost price is x. The given percentage. So loss is equals to cost of the cost price is x. X by 100 into x is equals to loss is equals to what is the formula? Cost price minus selling price. Just I'm applying loss. The given percentage x by 100 into x is equals to x minus selling price is 18.75. So x into x is x squared divided by 100 is equals to x minus 18.75. So x squared is equals to cross multiply 100x minus 1875. Simplify this one, you will get 75 or 25. Therefore, the cost price is 75 or 25. And last question, 5 marks question is state and prove basic proportionality theorem. Already I explained all theorems. Even I will give link in description box. If you need, go through that. Thank you, students. Thank you all.